Cables, we have a lot of them to charge our smartphones, just like this one here. USB Type-C cable is the norm today. Actually not if you come from the Apple world, and especially if you live in a household where, some people have Apple devices, other people have Android devices or USB-C Lightning port devices, and sometimes you have even devices that are microUSB. Guess what happens if you go on vacation? You have to take all those cables and you have to think about those cables, micro USB, USB-C and Lightning with you. And here I have a solution for you that could ease your pain of packing all the cables just by packing one cable by the company called Cafele that sent me this little thing here, which is a multi USB cable. And I want to do an unboxing and a short review of it, so let's get started. So here we have a bunch of those devices that can be charged, and here is the box with the Cafele cable inside. There's nothing else printed. There's like a little bit of, as you can see, maybe some kind of like devices that you can charge with it, and the rest is written here, like the company name and so on, but that is basically it. So let's open it up and get it out of this package. Nice and easy. Just put into this little, what is it, paper or plastic bag, and there we go. There we have the main attraction here. We have a USB Type-A port here that you can see. This goes into this cable here that I have for power, just to show you later how to charge those. And then we have another end here where you can see all three other connections. So we have a micro USB, as you can see here, micro USB, good old friend, and USB Type-C, the standard now, and also Lightning. And all of this here we can also stretch out, because this little thing here has the whole rest of the cable, so we can just stretch it out. As you can see, it's one cable. We can let it there, or we can just also, I think, somehow pull it in again, like this. Can be pulled in as well. So this is a possibility, not to stretch here, but to stretch it here. And to, a pretty long cable, I would say this is like a meter or so, something like this, meter 20 eventually. But this has also auto retract function, as you saw here, so can be easily pulled back as well. So let's try to charge all three devices with this one plug. So I have here my main USB-A port. I have somewhere here, I can get it out, the USB-A to A, plug it in. So we should have power now, and now I should be able to plug in the iPhone and it should charge up. Plug in the Asus Zenfone. It is telling me that it's charging already and takes normal charge 57 minutes, because I plug into a normal charger. And then I can also plug in one of those microphones here from Sony, those fancy ones that have micro USB still, as you can see here, and I can plug this in as well. And it's charging as well, the charging light coming up. So I have now three devices charging up. The iPhone is, I think, also coming to life here. Yes, it's asking for pin code and it's charging as well. So I have three devices charging here on one cord with this Cafele charging solution. That is very, very cool indeed. So this is the Cafele Multi USB cable and my unboxing and short review about it. If you're interested if this can also do data over USB, sadly it cannot. It's only for charging. So if you want to transfer over data, you have to just take another data cable with you. But it is very, very cool to have a charging cable like this that's very, very compact for travels, for vacations. You can just put it in your backpack and have it there for, when time it needs, even if you don't have an iOS device, but someone else might need an iOS cable and forgot his own, so you have like the possibility to charge it up with this cable. Of course, I will put the link down below to this cable where you can get it. And that's everything for this short little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.